Alright, y'all, so I'm back and I'm annoyed. So I just got back from Golden Renaissance Jewelers. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. And I spent $32. See if you can read what it says, because it lets you know. Spent $32 for them to solder the end of the rope chain that I got from Jacoje, and that was my my 2mm that needed to be soldered on there. So when I was over here like playing around with it, and I was thinking like maybe I just needed to pinch it on there or something, like maybe that's what you're supposed to do. Nah, you gotta go get that mug soldered on there. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, like I'm a little like, I'm still in shock from the whole thing. I'm the type of dude, like I don't like waiting too long, but I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with you. I don't know about his response time no more. I literally was just talking about how he responds quickly and everything like that, but I don't know about that no more because I sent him my complaint, and it is still the same day. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the date. Today is Tuesday the 12th. Tuesday the 12th. Tuesday the 12th, and I sent my response to him at what time? I sent my response to him about my complaint at 11:49 a.m. Right now it is 6:31 p.m. and I haven't heard jack diddly. I ain't heard nothing. So yeah. So two cool things though. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it 1,000. Like, I've been watching dude Jacoje braiding, I should say, for a minute, because like one, like he really do teach you like your stuff. And the thing is, it was cool because I was able to walk inside the jeweler, the Renaissance, Golden Renaissance jeweler. I was able to walk up in there and like, you know what I'm saying, use some of the like terms and everything like that I learned from braiding, which is like cool, and I respect that and I like that. But at the same time, like, it's weak because I'm over here like telling them like, ooh, like, yo, I got a chain that I literally just got, and like this third millimeter is supposed to look like this 2mm. So I'm having them and there, so the lady, it's funny because the lady, she was like, oh, so who's this Jacoje person? She's like, well, maybe now you'll learn to get your jewelry from our store and everything like that. And I'm like, okay, yeah, sure, whatever. And she's like, well, let's do a price check and everything like that. And she was like, well, how much did you spend on the 3mm chain and everything like that? And I was like, I just dropped like it was like 900 something on his website, but I dropped like a rack on it, is what I said. And that rack is like $1,000, and that was only because of the shipping and everything like that. So I told her that, and she was like, oh, okay, huh. So she got her scale, she put it on the scale and everything like that. And what's this mug say? Because this is one good thing about it. So this mug weighs, from what he says, the gram weight is 17.4 grams. On her scale, it says 17.5 grams. And she low-key didn't even want to tell me that. She's like, So she was like, well, she said, well, one good thing is, and it's real gold. She was like, one good thing, she was like, well, you definitely got a good deal on the chain, because that chain, the 3mm, what I got this month for just a rack for, she said that retails in stores for $2,000. So I was like, okay, that's what's up. Point for Jacoje. But still, like, she was like, then she said something slick. She was like, well, you can keep buying your chains from him and just keep bringing them to us to fix them. But I'm like, dang, like, for real, like, what's up with that? How did I get this chain and get this mug broke? The crazy thing is, I was on Jacoje's website, and this is what I mean by he's a quick responder when I said it at first. Okay, I was on Jacoje's website to get a chain finally for the first time. Finally saved up my bread, stacked up my bread, and I knew what I wanted. I was like, I want the 3mm and everything like that. So, boom, I got the 3mm. Bought just the 3mm. Then literally Like hours later, I was just like, man, you know what? Like low key, I want to get the 2mm because I saw a 2mm and it was for a pretty cool price and everything like that. So I was like, yeah, let me just get the 2mm and everything like that because I ordered 2 pendants from Icebox. Icebox unboxing coming soon. And I was like, I want 2 chains. So I went ahead and got the 2mm. I'm like a little bit mad because I'm like, I should have just went with the 3 and I wouldn't have had this issue. This would have been a whole different review. And I probably would have been talking all good about dude and been happy to be wearing his chains. I feel a little salty even to be wearing his chains right now. I'm just keeping it real. I have not gotten a response yet. Oh, okay. So anyway, let me get back to the story. Anyway, so I was like, boom. When I ordered both of the chains and everything like that, I emailed Braden and I said like, yo, like, I just bought 2 of your chains and everything like that. Is it possible any way I can get money back for the shipping or any way we could like void it or something like that, the shipping cost? Because it's like $20 for each thing to get shipped over here and everything like that. And he responded, but I asked something. No, in fact, like I got my phone right here. Let me look it up. I'm not even gonna BS with y'all. Like let me tell you what it was for facts. Okay. What I first had emailed him about was I emailed him, yeah, about the chain. I was like, is there any way we could do anything about the shipping? But I was like, I also had said like, hey, because for the second one, the second one I purchased, the 2mm, that mug at first it kept declining my charge. So I emailed him trying to figure out like about the shipping, and then I also emailed him like, yo, is there like what's going on and everything like that. And he emailed me back fast, of course, because I'm trying to buy a chain. He emailed me back fast and he was like, you gotta have your shipping the same as the billing address and everything like that, which makes sense. So I was like, okay, boom. And anyway, I refreshed the page and it ended up working. Then after that, like we was talking, like we was having a cool little chat. Like I don't know if I'm gonna post the chats and whatever. He said thank you. We try our best as far as pricing goes. I priced my cause I was talking about how his prices were the best and everything like that. And he said I priced my items according to what I paid for. Cause I'm trying to figure out like, dang, how you be having the best prices and everybody and their mama is taxing for chains. So okay, so anyway, yeah, he was responding and everything like that. But that's my whole thing. Like now when it comes to me sending, you know how this mug is broke, he ain't responding nothing. So my next video, one of my next videos, I'm gonna give y'all an update because I just really want to know what's he gonna do. Like, how's he gonna fix this? I'm gonna send him, I guess, the bill. I'm gonna just at least show it to him. Like, I ain't saying he gotta pay, but he honestly should. Like, that's crazy. So I spent like whatever I spent on the 2mm chain plus $32 just for somebody to fix his broken chain that he sent me. Like, I'm still pissed about that. So yeah, I guess now we can get to the part where I put them on though, cause I ain't gonna lie, like bro, I was gonna do a whole like little cool modeling thing. I'm not feeling it no more. I'm just not, like that's just weak. Like bro, that's my first impression, and I've been following you. I've been liking your videos, all type of stuff. Like bro, that's crazy to me. That's crazy. It's just crazy to me. I'm just saying. The chain is beautiful though. And that's something that, you know, even the jeweler, she didn't admit it. But like, she definitely didn't try to say his stuff was fake. Like, or nothing like that. Because definitely for sure, this mug is legit. And she was trying to figure out, she trying to figure out his scheme. But anyway, they fixed it. They fixed it. You see how that piece is welded on there like it should have been? That's how I should have got it when I was over here trying to pinch it together and everything like that. They fixed your error. But, I don't know. Like, Braden seemed like a really cool, legit dude. He don't seem like no type of scammer. Nothing like he would do nothing like that. But, whoever done packaged this, it don't make no sense how you done packaged this like this. And send it to me like that. Like, it's crazy. He's the one who packaged it. He's the one who's really responsible for it. But at the same time, no, it's really Brady. Because, bro, you can't be doing stuff like that. I waited I waited long enough. And that's the crazy thing, bro. Like, this is exactly why people don't order stuff online. Because most, bro, you will get some stuff that is broke. You will get something that is comes broke, and then what you gonna do? And then the thing is, like, I don't like how Braden don't even have, like, no number you can call. Like, I ain't really digging that neither, because I'm like, shoot, I get it, but at the same time, I'm like, yo, if somebody buys something, they need a number. Because, yeah. Man. Yo, okay. I gotta go get to a mirror, so I'm gonna get back to y'all with this. But yeah.